Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best HyperX Cloud Alpha gaming headset on the market. If you're looking for a headset that delivers top-tier sound quality, comfort, and durability, the Cloud Alpha might just be your perfect match. The HyperX Cloud Alpha features an innovative dual-chamber driver design. This unique setup separates the bass from the mids and highs, giving you clearer, more distinct audio without distortion. Whether you're hearing footsteps creeping up behind you or explosions blasting in the distance, the sound is precise and immersive, making your gaming experience more engaging and competitive. Comfort is key when it comes to long gaming sessions, and HyperX knows this well. The Cloud Alpha sports premium red memory foam ear cushions that are soft and breathable. They sit comfortably over your ears without feeling tight or causing heat buildup. The headband is expanded and padded with a softer leatherette material, ensuring that even after hours of wear, you won't feel fatigued or pressured. Built to last, the headset has a durable aluminum frame that adds stability without adding unnecessary weight. At just 298 grams, it's lightweight enough to wear comfortably for extended periods while still feeling solid and robust. Another great feature is the detachable braided cable with inline audio controls. This means you can easily adjust volume or mute the microphone without fumbling with software or settings. The braided design also adds durability and reduces the chances of tangling or damage, which is a common issue with many gaming headsets. Speaking of the microphone, the Cloud Alpha comes with a detachable noise cancellation mic that plugs in and out effortlessly. The mic effectively minimizes background noise, ensuring your teammates hear you clearly during voice chat or streaming. One of the most versatile aspects of this headset is its broad compatibility. It works seamlessly with PC, PlayStation 4 and 5, Xbox One and Series 10s, Nintendo Switch, and even mobile devices, thanks to its standard 3.5mm audio jack. This cross-platform support makes it an excellent choice for gamers who use multiple devices. The frequency response of the headphones covers a wide range, from 15 Hz to 25,000 Hz, delivering rich bass and crisp highs. Meanwhile, the microphone frequency response ranges from 50 Hz to 18,000 Hz, capturing your voice accurately for communication. Included in the box, you'll find the headset itself, the braided detachable cable, the detachable microphone, a user manual, and a protective case to keep everything safe when not in use. Overall, the HyperX Cloud Alpha gaming headset combines exceptional audio performance, comfortable design, and durable construction into a package that suits both casual and competitive gamers. Whether you're battling in the latest shooters or immersed in RPGs, this headset ensures you experience every sound with clarity and comfort. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in a headset that balances quality, comfort, and versatility, the HyperX Cloud Alpha should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.